If you currently own a home in Vancouver or aspire to become a homeowner, stay tuned as I provide an overview of the most recent trends in the real estate market as of November 2023. Make sure you watch until the end of this video to discover hidden opportunities, whether you're considering buying or selling. So from a high-level analysis, the market has been quite steady, and with the interest rates, it hasn't really slowed down people from buying. In most areas, we are in a balanced market, and some areas even a seller's market. Examining historical data indicates that sustained periods in a ratio below 12% will create downward pressure on home prices. So anything below 12% is considered a buyer's market, whereas prices frequently face upward pressure when the ratio surpasses 20% over several months, and that would be considered a seller's market, and then anything in between is a balanced market. So by this data, condos and detached homes are currently sitting in a balanced market. Condos at 18.9% and detached homes just over the 12.4 mark. Now for townhomes, which doesn't surprise me at all, is at 24%, which brings us to a seller's market. Townhomes are popular because they are more limited in supply, and it's a good balance between strata and a detached home, so it's a lot more affordable for families. The benchmark price for a house in Metro Vancouver is $1,982,600. Keep in mind that this is across all areas in all neighborhoods. So they range from $864,000 in Sunshine Coast on the island to $3.46 million in Vancouver West Side. So the benchmark price has gone up since last year by 6.8% and has gone down just slightly a little bit from last month. Prices went up because last fall and winter was very slow with the consistent consecutive interest rate hikes, and the spring market this year drove prices up since then. Moving along, the average list to sale price ratio was 97.6% in November. That simply means properties were selling 97.6% of list price, so just under asking. That's actually just down a little bit from October, which was 98.2%. So when looking at the statistic, it also depends on the market and the strategy a seller uses when listing their home. When the market is hot, a lot of sellers underprice their homes to get multiple offers and bidding wars. So sellers are listing now closer to their price expectation. Now you might be curious how long it's taking to sell properties. On average in November, it took around 30 to 40 days for both attached and detached homes, which went up just very slightly compared to last year by around 2 extra days to sell. So just prepare for that when you're planning to sell. Homes are not flying off the shelves. If you're thinking about investing in real estate in the near future, mortgage rates are ranging from 6.11% to 6.81%, depending on your terms and the lender conditions. Great news! 5-year bond once again has gone down, so interest rates might too. So in summary, when we look at November's market statistics, it looks like it's been quite steady. Detached homes have been riding in between balanced market and buyer's market the last few months, and it's really just dependent on the area and the home prices. What we're seeing are homes that are under 1.8 million are selling quite well, and the luxury market is a little bit slower, which is why it's affecting the overall market statistics. And as for condos and townhomes, it is definitely in a balanced market and even seller's market in some neighborhoods. Either way, one really important thing to remember is one area in Metro Vancouver can be extremely different in another area, as there are different micro markets and pockets everywhere. That being said, as I've explained in previous videos, it is a good opportunity right now to make a move if you are thinking about a larger home, because condos and townhomes are selling well and detached homes are not as competitive yet. So you can sell for higher and potentially negotiate when you buy. In essence, whether you're in the process of buying or selling, it's crucial to understand your unique situation and circumstance, and a general market update should be approached with caution. For an accurate analysis tailored to your home, Or if you're contemplating a purchase and want insight into potential hidden opportunities, you have two options. You can either request a complimentary, no obligation market evaluation or schedule a call with me for a pressure-free discussion about your choices. I'm committing to providing you straightforward information so that you can make the best decision for yourself based on your individual situation. If you find this assistance valuable, you can click the link in the description below to arrange it. Otherwise, feel free to explore my other videos and I'll return next month with an updated report.